We're camping in Myrtle Beach. All of a sudden, the normal summer storm blows up, and lo and behold, the bathhouse, which was 2 spaces over from us, took a direct hit of lightning strike. TV still worked, the radio worked, so we started trying all systems. Eventually, we got down to, I wonder if the engine starts. No, it didn't. So my wife says, why don't you call Cummins?
It feels good, especially because you know you're getting them back out on the road.
I've been broken down before. I've needed help, unfortunately. It was something where I wanted to do that and give it back.
I think the most important thing about having a relationship with the company is when you need them in a pinch, they're there.
It gives you a good sense of pride that you did a good job.
I think those relationships are extremely important. It's why we keep coming back to Cummins, because they knew who I am and I know who they are. And that has value to it.